and we give you.
Welcome back to my channel. My name is Vela for anybody that is new, and if you are new, then welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing this makeup look that is for Valentine's Day. I can't believe that Valentine's Day is right around the corner, but January is flying by, and I hope 2021 is treating you guys well so far. It's been kind of crazy, but we're just going to say January is a trial month. Anywho, I'm going to be doing like the smoked out liner look. I'm not really sure what I'm calling it yet, but it's all the vibes for Valentine's Day, and I hope you guys love it. I had a lot of fun creating it. I didn't know what I was doing for this look, so I just sat down and played with makeup. So if you want to see how I got this look, then please continue to keep watching, and make sure before you go to hit that subscribe button down below, and make sure you also give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next one. Okay, so before we get started, I'm going to go ahead and put my hair back with my little headband. I obviously did my brows and concealer to prime my eyes off camera, and then we're going to bust out the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette and choose the shades Love Handles and Comfort Zone for our transition shades for the transition area of the eye, and we're going to blend that out on that crease area. And then we're going to go in with the shade, I think it was Dance Party that I went in with. I was moving a little faster than I was talking just now. We're going to take that shade, and this is where things are going to get a little weird, but just trust the process. We're going to blend this out all in the outer corner of the eye and really wing it out, and then we're going to bring it in towards the inner corner of the eye, but just halfway in. And we're going to leave that very low on the lash line, and make sure to really focus on blending this out and smoking it out. Don't be afraid of how crazy it looks, because I promise you it's all going to come together in the end. Then we're going to pick up the shade Crazy, because this look is looking a little crazy, and we're going to use that to place just in the little outer portion, like the lower part of the outer corner of the eye, if that makes sense. You guys see what I'm doing. And I'm going to use that to add a little bit more depth and dimension to this eye look, and just to make it look a little more, you know, crazy. I don't know, we're going to go with the shade name. This look is literally the definition of trusting the process of the makeup, because I'm going to be looking like I got punched in the eye, but then at the end it's all going to come together and look bomb. Then we're going to go in and pick up the shade Dance Party, and we're going to blend that in onto the lid, like to the halfway point of the lid, and going a little bit closer to the inner portion of the eye. But again, not taking it too high up into the crease. We're going to keep this pretty low still. And just to add a little bit more pink, because I feel like it was looking a little too, like, you know, cranberry and, you know, purpley. I don't know. I was adding a little more pink for the Valentine's Day vibes. We're gonna blend that out and make sure everything is blending together. And then as you can see right here, I'm looking like a nice little punched, you know, person that got into a fight and got my eye punched out. So then we're going to go in with the shade Barb in the Anastasia Beverly Hills and Amrezy palette collection. And I'm going to first go in with my NYX glitter glue and tap that all over the lid area, the inner portion of the lid area, and a little bit into the crease before I go in with that shadow, because it just adds like a little more of a tackiness to make that shadow really stick and pop even more. Then I'm going to take my ring finger and put that shade all onto the lid area and into the crease area and just really pack it on. As you can see, using that glitter glue really helped like adhere that shadow to the lid, because it is kind of a difficult, I don't know, like if you own this palette, you know that shade's like a little hard for that shade to really pop. At least for me it is. So the glitter glue really helped out a lot. Then I'm going to go back in with that blending brush. This has no additional product on it. I'm just using it to really blend out and make sure everything is kind of like, you know, giving that gradient effect and not just going straight from one shade to the next and making it look too harsh. Then I'm going to go in with the black shade in the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette, the shade Temptress, and I'm going in with a flat definer brush and just creating like a little smoky wing. So I was able to get this liner on camera. I can't really do a liquid liner yet, but I was able to get this on camera for you guys. So I'm just smoking that out, and then I'm going to go back in with that blending brush. Again, no additional product, just really make sure everything is smoked out and looking blended together. Then I'm going to go in with my makeup wipe, and here's where everything starts coming together. I'm going to wipe away all that, you know, fallout underneath the eyes and just really create a sharp wing effect. So see, it's looking nice and sharp and crisp right here. Then I was realizing like I was missing a little something, so I went back into the Amrezy palette and picked up the shade Cupcake, again on my ring finger, and placed this right where that shade Barb met those other eyeshadows, the matte eyeshadows, just to give a little bit more of a gradient effect. And you know, it kind of brought everything together. It wasn't too much of a difference, but just brought everything together. And then I'm going to go back and touch everything up with that black eyeliner shade, just to make sure that the liner is still looking nice and smoked out. Then I went ahead and did my face off camera. I will go ahead and attach or link my face makeup routine down below for you guys. Then I'm going to tightline the lower lash line with the shade Oh Hello and blend it out with Dance Party and Lolly Mama. And I'm going to really smoke out that lower lash line. Then I'm going to wipe away all the bake on my face. And I'm taking my Makeup Revolution blush palette, and I'm just mixing these three blush shades, that's hard to say for some reason, mixing those together just to like concoct my own little blush shade and apply that to the cheekbones, the outer perimeters of my forehead, my nose, and my chin. I like to go ham with my blush just to give like, you know, nice little doll effect. That's been my vibe lately, and it's perfect for Valentine's Day because it's pink and gives like the little blush cute effect. Then I'll go in with my 24A Artist Pass palette with Morphe and take that purple highlight shade and mix it with the Jaclyn Hill shade I'm In It for my inner corner highlight. It gave that nice little purple reflect, but not too much purple for the inner corner highlight. And I'm also going to use that for the brow bone highlight as well. Then for my waterline, I'm going in with the Woodstock shade. This is the pencil liner from Urban Decay. Then for my face highlight, I'm going to be using Cold Shoulder, and I don't know the name of the other shade, but it's in the Jeffree Star highlighter palette. This is the Brain Freeze highlighter palette, and I'm just going to mix those two shades together and use that for my face highlight. Then I'm going to tap over that highlight with my beauty sponge. Nothing is added to the beauty sponge. It just really helps the highlight really melt into the skin. Then I'm going to set my face with the Tarte Stay Spray and go in with my lip liner pencil. This is the Morphe lip liner, and it's in the shade Bar. And then after I get the outer portions of my lip filled in with a lip liner, I'm going to go in with a Jeffree Star Velour liquid lipstick in the shade Mannequin and pop that into the center of the lips for that nice little ombre effect. This has been my go-to nude lipstick combo. It's just one of my favorite combos to go with. It goes with almost every look. But then I figured it was missing a little something, so I'm going to take my Makeup Revolution, I think it's like my foundation, I'll link it below, but it's like a little bit of a lighter shade, and I just popped that into the center of my lips too. I know it sounds kind of weird, but it worked, and so that just made a little bit more of a ombre gradient effect, and I was feeling it. Then I'm going to set my brows with some brow gel from NYX Cosmetics, then curl my lashes and go in with my mascara from Maybelline. And this is the completed eye look. I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye guys.